In this question, different ligands are given. We have to identify the one which is not an ambidentate ligand. Ambidentate ligands can be defined as the ligands which have two different donor atoms and either of the two donor atoms is attached to the central metal atom during the complex formation, but they cannot use both the donor atoms at a time. Now let's come to the options given here. The first one is given as oxalate ion or C2O42 minus ion. This is a type of bidentate ligand because oxalate ion can use two electron pairs to make a bond with the central metal atom and they will form a ring structure. So they are known as chelating ligand or bidentate ligand. This is an example for a type of polydentate ligand. So this is not an ambidentate ligand. Instead, they are chelating ligand or bidentate ligand. The second one is thiocyanate ion. This is a best example for ambidentate ligand because thiocyanate ion has two donor atoms. They are nitrogen or sulfur. Either they can use the nitrogen atom to make coordinate bond with the metal or sulfur atom to make the bond. So this is an example for ambidentate ligand. The third one is nitro group. This is another type of ambidentate ligand because the donor atoms present in these nitro groups are nitrogen and oxygen. They can use either nitrogen atom or oxygen atom for the bond formation. And the last one is Cn minus ion. This is also an ambidentate ligand. Here they can bond to the central metal atom using either nitrogen or carbon atom. So from these options, the one which is not an ambidentate ligand is oxalate ion. Option A is the correct answer.